Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some smoky styled red lentils, some stewed red lentils. This is the perfect vegan style, hearty, filling, healthy, must try meal. I cannot wait to show you guys how to make it, so let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some red lentils. So I have some red lentils here that I've already rinsed off and completely washed. I also have a small amount of warm water, some pureed bell pepper. So I have pureed red bell peppers, and green bell peppers. I also have some carrots, some chopped 𝐘𝐞𝐝, also known as 𝐘𝐸, depending on what island you're from, or 𝐘𝐞𝐞𝐝, some kale, some chopped tomato. I'm using the canned chopped tomato for this recipe, some pureed scallion, onion, garlic, and ginger, a small amount of liquid aminos, and that's just to give the recipe more of a smoky taste to it. You're also going to need some pink salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, all-purpose seasoning. I'll put the link to that in the video. Scotch bonnet, shadow benning, some fresh thyme which I've tied together, some coconut milk, and also some olive oil as well. Now the first thing that we need to do, we have a large frying pan, or you can use a large skillet, and I'm going to pour some olive oil in there. Once I heat that up, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my onion, scallion, garlic, and ginger pureed mix, and then I'm also going to add my red bell pepper and my green bell pepper. And what I want to do is I want to cook that mixture for a few minutes. When you cook the mixture, you're going to find that it might give off some liquid, so what we want to do is we want to just cook that for a few minutes until that liquid evaporates. So now I'm going to add my herbs and spices. So I'm going to add the smoked paprika, the all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, pink salt, shadow benning, and thyme. And I'm just going to continue to cook all of these ingredients for a few minutes. So now I'm going to add my chopped tomato, and then I'm going to continue to cook everything for a few minutes. You're also going to notice that the color of the contents in the pan is going to take on a darker red, like a darker red hue, and that is perfectly normal. So now I'm going to add my 𝐘𝐞𝐝, carrots, and kale, followed by my red lentils. Then I'm going to pour in the coconut milk and then I'm gonna pour in the water and also add the Scotch bonnet as well. And once I add all of those ingredients, I'm going to bring the pan to a rolling boil, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. So as you can see, the pan has come to a rolling boil. So I'm going to add the liquid aminos, and once I do that, I'm just going to carefully stir everything, or should I say fold everything in so everything is nicely combined. And once I do that, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium low, and I'm gonna just leave everything to simmer for, I usually leave it to simmer for about 40 to 50 minutes. That pretty much is my sweet spot. You also want to make sure you stir occasionally as well, so the bottom of your pan does not scorch or does not stick. So I'm going to remove the lid now and show you guys what the stew looks like. Like I said, you do want to stir often because you don't want anything to stick to the bottom of the pan. You also want to keep an eye on the liquid levels. The liquid that I have used is pretty much enough, and I will put the recipe in the description box so you know exactly how much I use. But if you do need more, then have some to hand. So I'm just going to put the lid back on as well and just leave it to cook. So I'm going to show you now and remove the lid what the stew looks like after cooking for what was pretty much close to an hour. As you can see, the lentils have completely cooked through and the stew is a lot thicker. So I'm going to add some black pepper and pink salt, and I'm just going to fold that in as well. And it smells absolutely amazing now. And also do not forget to remove the Scotch bonnet and the thyme stems that have been tied together. So guys, how easy was that? That is how you make smoky styled stewed red lentils. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please like, comment and subscribe. It really just helped to motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you on the other side.